Hello everyone. I have been thinking about making a YouTube channel for past few weeks but I couldn't. The idea was so intimidating to me that I made excuses. I don't have time after job. I can read in that time. I can shop. I can talk to my friends and whatnot. But honestly speaking, I was so nervous to come in front of the camera and talk about my opinions, what I think, what I read. I think it's high time that I come to this platform, make new friends, talk with like minded people, and share my own ideas and what I think about what I read. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 fictional books that one must read once in their lifetime. These books will definitely change your perspective about life and you will want to read them again and again. I'm so sure about it. The first one in the list is The Palace of Illusions. It's by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni. Have you read the Indian epic Mahabharat? It's about that. It is the story of Mahabharat from Draupadi's point of view and it is worth reading. I mean, I have not read Mahabharat from a female point of view. It talks about how she feels, what is her take on different things that has happened in life, how she feels about Karan. It is about the deepest desires that has been buried in Draupadi's heart. It talks about that. So this is a must read for everyone. The second one in the list is The Forest of Enchantments. It's also written by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni. It is a story of Ramayana from Sita's perspective. While everyone talks about Lord Ram's heroic acts, no one talks about the patriarchal structure's impact on women of that time. It talks about her own emotional turmoil, the societal pressure, and the personal sacrifice that she did. And I do not kid when I say it is amazing. It is written so well that you will feel every word. The third one in the list is Anxious People. It's written by Frederick Backman. It is a sad comedy, but it became my escape. When I started reading it, I found it absurd. The characters were absurd, the situation was absurd, and people being held hostage, it was all absurd. But it talks about the things that impact humans, loss, love, mental health. It talks about everything. I think it is a must read for everyone. The fourth one in the list is Before the Coffee Gets Cold. It's written by Toshikazu Kawaguchi. It is a story of a cafe which allows people to go back into time and on one condition, to come back before the coffee gets cold. So it's talk about love, regret, and the complexities of human relationship. It is one fictional book that everyone should read. It takes you to another world and it is a series. I will recommend the remaining 2 books in next video. So I think you should read first one. The fifth one in the list is The Mistress of Spices, The Magical One. It is written by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni and it is my another favorite book from her. So it talks about a woman who holds magical power to heal people of a community. It talks about themes of love, immigration, societal pressure. The woman was forbidden to love for God's sake because she had this power. The book was unexpectedly beautiful and I loved it. I think you should read it. That's it for today. I think I have discussed 5 beautiful books with you. Can you tell me in the comment section that you loved it? I'll get inspired to make more videos. Okay, so bye bye. Take care.